G'day, I'm Chad from the Beekeeper's Daughters, Bees for our next generation. So we are going to get into DIY queens. So we're going to make our own queens. Well, when I say make, the bees are going to make the queens. We're going to nudge them, help them, encourage them to do it in a way that we want them to do it. So bees naturally make their own queen. If they swarm, if a queen dies, if they're not happy with the queen and they need to replace it, they naturally do that. So nature provides a way, as long as there's the right things in the hive, eggs or young grubs, food, and enough bees, enough nursing bees, they will create their own queen. So all we want to do as a beekeeper, we want to use that, use the ability for the hive to make their own queen, but we're going to control it and do it in a way that suits us. So we're going to do what they call grafting, which is put a whole pile of young grubs into a queenless hive and have them grow those into queens so that we can use them for other purposes in other hives. So it's basically 3 steps. We're going to go through step 1, which is identify and prepare a hive to start grafting queens. So make sure it's in the right space, it's strong, it's got enough food, and the bee colony is in the right mode for creating queens. Step 2, we are going to go and split that hive, and we're going to take the queen away, and we're going to graft some grubs, put those into queen cups, put them into the hive, and let the hive nurture and grow and provide queens. Step 3, we are going to take out those queen cups, those formed queens, right before they hatch, right before they come out. Absolutely critical that the timing is right so they're old enough but they're not hatching and coming out. And we're going to be able to take those and use them in other hives. So today let's start with step 1, identifying and preparing our hive. So we've picked a strong double brood box hive, and we're just going to manipulate this now to get it ready to grow queens. Okay, so with this hive we've manipulated it hopefully so that the queen is in the top box and all of the eggs, or almost all of the eggs, are in the top box, and capped brood and not the queen are in the bottom box. So what this means is the hive is still all together, it's still queen right, the whole hive can still smell its queen, but it's manipulated and split in a way, hopefully all going well, so that it's ready to quite easily take the queen away and introduce queen cups to what will then be a queenless hive for them to go nuts and create queens. And I also did the exact same thing to another similar size double brood box hive. In this particular case I was able to actually find the queen, so she's in the top box, eggs are in the top box, capped brood, and no queen is in the bottom box. I can choose then which hive I want to use.